Welcome aboard. We're thrilled to have you with us as you embark on your journey to create a new game in mooveTEAM. Let's walk through it step by step, shall we? Kick things off by locating and clicking the New button nestled in the top right corner. This is where the magic begins. Now, let your creative juices flow and give your event a name. Next, you'll be ushered to a page where you'll fill in the game's essential details. The first piece of information to enter is the number of teams. By default, it's set to 5, but feel free to tweak this number. You can always adjust it later in the Teams tab if needed. Consider how long you want your game to last. This duration, measured in days, represents the active lifespan of the game after the Start button has been hit. Now, let's activate your game. Check the first box to set your game as active. The next box allows you to choose whether your game is indoor or outdoor. Here's a neat feature, the Allow Players to Click over Map Icons to Activate Challenges option. This is especially handy while testing your game as it lets you activate challenges without physically being near them. However, for a real game, you may want to uncheck this box to motivate participants to move around and trigger the challenges. Moving on, you have the opportunity to add a splash of color to your game. This background color, part of your branding customization, is typically aligned with your client's standard corporate color. You can pick a color from the palette or punch in the hexadecimal code if you have a specific hue in mind. Next up, pinpoint your game location on the map. This not only assists with challenge creation but also establishes a default location for each challenge. Later, within each challenge, you can scatter the flags to spread the excitement across the region. With all the header details sorted, click Save to bring your game to life. Voila! You've successfully created a new game. You'll then be redirected to the game dashboard. Feel free to further refine your game by clicking Edit. A great next step would be to add a logo. This could be your client's logo or a custom one designed specifically for this event. Aim for a 1:1 aspect ratio for this image, as it'll be displayed on the welcome page of the app when participants load the game. Congratulations! You've successfully navigated through our first tutorial. In upcoming videos, we'll delve into setting up challenges for your event. So stay tuned. Thanks for joining us on this journey.